Good day everyone, once again this is June Carly, your property consultant. Guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable at may mababang down payment na bahay here in Cavite, please continue to watch this video. In front of me guys is our Magnolia unit with 3 to 4 bedrooms, 1 to 2 carports with living and dining area, and of course with balcony sa my second floor. So let's check the actual turnover unit. Let's go. So this is your parking space guys. So this can accommodate 1 to 2 depende kung ano po yung unit yung kukunin nyo. Pag inner, 1 lang. Pag corner or end, possible na pwede tayong maglagay ng dalawang vehicle. And this is your main door. And upon entry guys, you will be welcomed by your living and dining area. So this is the actual turnover unit. So naka-tiles na siya. Yan. Painted na din yung walls, no? And naka-glass din yung window natin na may grills. Alright, so this is your kitchen. And we have here your powder room. Yan, doon yung CR. Maliit lang siya. Okay, you have here your entry and exit point going to your service area or to your parking space. Yan, medyo maingay lang kasi ongoing construction ng ating mga masisipag na mga construction workers. So let's go up. So sa second floor guys, naka-open layout lang siya. So we have here your toilet and bath, nakahiwalay para pwede natin gamitin individually. That's your toilet and this is your bath. So itataas pa nila yan. Yep. Okay, and so this is your second floor guys. Okay, so meron tayo dito open high ceiling na area. And of course, your balcony. Ang kagandahan dito guys ay magiging greenery, no? Yung surroundings natin. Kasi magtatanim po yung developer ng mga puno dyan. Alright. Okay, let's go up. Okay, this is the third floor, no? So, pwede tayong maglagay ng dalawang bedrooms dito.